Hi guys, welcome to Sylvia Barrock with sylviabarrock.com. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the next penny stock which is going to explode soon. Stay tuned. Before I start guys, make sure you subscribe to my free Discord chat. I'm going to post the link just below, and it is a great way to network with other traders and connect with other traders. The stock which I want to talk about today is Fluent Inc. F-E-L-N-T. Fluent provides data-driven marketing services. I've talked a while ago about this stock, and I also mentioned that this stock is going to double. And if you look at the chart, I'm going to show you where exactly I mentioned this stock, and this stock really doubled after that. So I mentioned the stock somewhere around here, around the 420-ish area, and a couple of weeks later the stock went to 850. So this stock pretty much doubled guys, and I still like this stock. It pulled back now very nicely into that support area, which is the 426, and also it is above the exponential moving average. I'm going to show you, of course, not only the technicals which I'm looking at and why do I look at those technicals, but I'm going to show you also some of the fundamental data, and you're going to see why do I like this stock so much. We have here in this stock very nice momentum to the upside, consolidation for a little while, another move to the upside, small pullback, and this here is our support area, 339. After that, the stock consolidated here, as you can see, for a little while and made very nice move with strong momentum to the upside. So this is exactly what I want to see when I'm looking at growth stocks and stocks which have potential to make those kind of moves. After this stock, the stock pulled back again one more time into the support area, and I'm going to explain you right now why this is an important support area. First of all, this was here previous resistance, and after this previous resistance was broken and the stock broke out of this high, now this becomes support. And what happened after that is that the stock pulled into this support area, consolidated here for a little while, made some nice doji candles, reversal candles, and after that, after I talked about this stock in my previous video, it made another nice move to the upside into 850 area. So this is exactly what I want to see when I'm looking for momentum stocks, guys, and that's why I really like this stock. I like how it behaves, I like the price action, but I'm normally not a person who is going to chase stocks. I don't trade breakouts. I personally wait for nice pullbacks into some decent support areas. And this stock pulled back very nice into the support area of 426, and as we can see now here, it starts to consolidate a little bit. It holds still the 200 moving average, which is very important in my opinion on the daily chart. It had already earnings released, so we don't have to worry that there are going to be some kind of surprises or earnings. This already happened. So for me now, in order to make a trade, I'm going to look here how this stock behaves around this nice support area and strong support area. I want to see some kind of a consolidation similar to here, or some kind of reversal green candle before I enter the stock. The good thing about this setup, guys, is that it is right at support, right above the 200 EMA, which means we have very good risk reward here. Stop can be placed just below the 200 moving average here, and the potential reward on this stock is another 100%, because the previous high is 850, and of course we have here and here a little bit of resistance, but the target should be 850, which means I do expect this stock to make another move. Of course, we don't know if this is going to happen, guys. All we have is support and resistance and risk management, but I do think that this is a great opportunity with very good risk reward on this stock. And also I'm going to show you why do I like this stock so much and why do I like the fundamentals on this stock. As we can see here, FLNT has return on assets of 0.71%, and this is among the best returns in the industry. The industry average is minus 11.14%. So this means that FLNT outperforms 81% of its industry. The profit margin of 0.71 is one of the best in the industry as well, because the industry average is minus 20.22%. So this is something I would like to look, especially when I'm longing stock. I want to have a little bit more background. What is the company doing? How is the profitability? How is the growth? And sometimes I look, of course, at the valuation. But for me, the most important thing is profitability and, like I mentioned, growth of the stock. If I scroll back down, we see here the valuation of the company, and we see low PEG ratio, which compensates the price earnings for growth, indicates a rather cheap valuation for this company. So you don't see that a lot of times, guys. Normally, when you have growth stock, the valuation will be terrible, and everything what you will see here on the screen will be red. So this is actually a very good looking valuation for the company, and it is still a growth stock. We see also, compared to the average industry, price book ratio of 4.56, FLNT is valued cheaper compared to its peers. Now let's see one of the most important KPIs for me, which is growth. The earnings per share has grown an impressive more than 1000% over the past year, and we also see that FLNT is expected to show a strong growth of earnings per share in the upcoming 2 years. The company is expected to grow by 343%, which is of course a lot per year, and this is why I'm interested of continuing looking at this stock. Looking at the last year, FLNT shows a quite strong growth in revenue as well. The revenue has grown by 10.31%, which is very good as well. And if we look at the past growth of the company, over the past 5 years, the revenue has grown over the past years, like I mentioned, by 85.65%, which is of course also a very impressive number. So you see, guys, this is not just a cheap penny stock. This is not a penny stock which is completely bankruptcy. This is actually a stock which has some good valuation and some growth potential. This is why I do expect that this stock might make another move to the upside, and we saw also that this stock has the ability to double. And like I mentioned before in my previous video, I'm going to post the link below, by the way, you see that this stock went from 426 to 850, it doubled. And I do expect after this huge pullback, if we start seeing here a little bit of consolidation, a little bit of green and buying interest here, I am going to see if I find any kind of setup in that stock. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you join my Discord chat. I will be happy to chat with you there and to trade with you. Stay safe. Bye bye.